So I just watched Sprinkle of Glitter Louise's video about why she dyed her hair pink. It's a very emotional video because she talks about losing her mum to breast cancer. One sentence in particular really struck me and made me pause the video. It's, when I talk about my mum, I don't know what she sounds like because I haven't seen her in 23 years. I can't remember the sound of her voice. That automatically made me try to imagine the sound of my mum's voice, which was very easy to do because I still see my mum and hear my mum all of the time. But what about my mum? My mother's mother died about 24 years ago because of breast cancer. Louise's story was so difficult and heart-wrenching to watch, and I felt all these feelings for her and her family, whilst at the same time I have someone much closer to me, my mum, who kind of went through the same thing. Then I remembered something. So this massive box is all tapes of home videos. When I was 18, my parents asked me to transfer all these tapes onto a computer so that they could make a big DVD out of it. I started the job, but then I never finished it because it's just such a massive thing to do. However, I am 100% sure that one of these tapes in this box holds footage of my grandma, which also means that the sound of her voice is here. The plan is to surprise my mum with footage of her mum so that she can hear her voice, which she hasn't done in probably roughly 24 years. And so the search begins. What's different about Louise's story and my mum's story is that my mum had me and my sister when her mother was still alive, so my grandmother did get to hold me and my sister, but then my parents had 3 more kids after her death, and my grandmother never got to hold or see or feel or experience my 3 youngest siblings. I think I must have been 3 or 4, 2 or 3 when she died. I've no memories of her, which is kind of sad. I think I found it.
Oh.